heel to toe for a better fit and a better hunt. It starts with our exclusive ExoFlex fit system for a snug fit that's easy on and off. The ExoFlex panel expands to accommodate the back of your foot, and once you're in, it snaps back into place, wrapping around your foot for the perfect fit. But we didn't stop there. Rutmaster 2.0 also features a new RPM rubber composite deep lug sole for the ultimate in traction and lightweight durability. A polyurethane footbed that stays comfortable hunt after hunt, and reinforced toe and heel areas that can handle whatever crosses your path. Available with PrimaLoft insulation, scent band odor control, and your choice of Realtree or Mossy Oak camo. New Rutmaster 2.0 from Irish Setting. The best.
Sport Pro rubber boot in Venator camo is a great addition to a tradition of quality hunting boots. Built with features like an aggressive multi-directional rubber cup outsole, a vulcanized rubber foot with added protection over key wear areas, and a 5mm neoprene shaft, and you can see why you'll feel like a pro wearing them. Add to this an open cell PU foam footbed with a memory foam topper, an expansion fit calf for a more universal fit, and of course the benefit of scent concealment throughout, and you've got a true sportsman's boot. Hunting is your sport. Take it on like a pro with the new Rocky
Speed protection that lives up to your expectations. Our 1530 boot will not be a disappointment. 100% waterproof. This boot, whose lightness is only matched by its comfort, will revolutionize your outdoor outings, providing protection up to -70 degrees Celsius. It remains flexible even when the temperature drops to its lowest, whether on an icy surface or in a highly humid location. The 1530, equipped with a self-cleaning traction outsole, will keep you warm and dry. Its EVA molding combined with a PrimaLoft 200-gram insulated liner make it a unique and highly efficient product. With its antimicrobial material and resistance to oils and animal waste, this boot offers exceptional versatility. Treat yourself with lightness and reimagined waterproof.